يوم ترونها تذهل كل مرضعة عما أرضعت وتضع كل ذات حمل حملها وترى الناس سكارى وما هم بسكارى ولكن عذاب الله شديد. Be mindful of that day. The day that you will see the nursing mother will forget her baby, will throw her baby away. And you will see all the pregnant women will deliver on that day. They will deliver their burden. And you will see people drunk, yet they are not drunk, but the punishment of Allah is severe.